Hi, my name is Malia, and this is my honest review on these under the sink organizers. So these are so helpful. I got 2 of them, and they have helped me so much be able to fit more items in here, giving me a 2-level storage. I really like these because the bottom you can easily pull out, grab trash bags or anything you need. It perfectly is the same size as our parchment paper, so that is awesome. It also has these little hooks that you can put onto them, so I don't know if you have something that might need that. Also, this hook on the side. There's also a little sponge holder right here. We don't have any sponges at the moment, but it's really helpful for if you do happen to have a kitchen sponge. These were also super easy to put together. It took like 5 minutes a piece to kind of just put them together. It was so simple, and they fit really well in the sink, under the sink, and I just really like how they glide in and out. Yeah, and there's my review on this. Definitely would give that a 10 out of 10.